Hey guys, dropped us kayak fishing out here. Man, it's cold. 30 degrees this morning. We got dumped with snow yesterday, but we decided, you know what? I've always had good luck in a snowstorm, so let's send it and see what we can find. I also wanted to talk about something, a little milestone in my recovery yesterday. I hit 2 years and 6 months sober, so I always try to get out around that, those milestones and see if the fishing gods will bring me some luck. So I just want to share that with you guys. Anyone, that struggles with drugs or alcohol, feel free to reach out. I'm always available. And, I want everyone to live their best life and enjoy fishing and enjoy life. So with it being 30 degrees after snow, the water temps are 45 degrees. I'm sure that's about what it will stay today. Doesn't mean they're not going to be chewing. I always had good luck around snow. My personal best largemouth. I'll post a picture here. That came, early February during a snowstorm, 38-degree water. So, the bigs will eat. The bigs will eat. Just got to keep working at it. Little guy. I'm not seeing the fish. Just pulled up to this rocky area and cast it over the top of it. Came flying out. So I'll kind of show you what I mean. So this is all like rocky bottom. You don't see any fish suspended, but these fish will come shooting out of here. You don't see the fish. You got to know where I'm fishing those high percentage areas and waiting to see if a fish comes off the bottom. A lot of times these fish here are going to be on the bottom, so if you don't know, you don't know. Don't rely too much on the scope. Just because you don't see fish on it doesn't mean there's not fish there. Decent one. It's a solid one. It's like a 4-pounder. Four pounds, 5 ounces. pounds, 6 ounces. Close to the other one. Feels like a good one. Oh yeah, that's a giant. That's a giant. That's a 5-pounder. That's a 5-pounder. Barely hooked. Gosh dang. Barely hooked. A 100% a 5-pounder. Zeros. Zeros. £5, 5 ounces. 5 pounds, 5 ounces. There's 5-pounder. Decent one. That's enough. It's got a weird freaking tail. I need to measure one for, you know, I just keep forgetting. This will be a 4. Zero. Chill. Holding 314. 314. Yeah. No, kind of scattered out there. Yeah. They're holding bottom in the rocks. You can't even see them on live. You just trust your instincts and fish those rocks.